Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy lemon blueberry blender waffles. They're so good and tasty, and you just throw everything in the blender. And this recipe is in my book Plantifully Simple on page 73 if you are cooking along with me. So I'm going to start off with 1 cup of gluten-free rolled oats, and then I'm going to add 1 banana to the blender, then half a teaspoon of baking powder, a little pinch of salt. Get that in there. And then I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of lemon extract, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 a cup of water. And then I'm going to blend that up until it's nice and smooth. Now I have my waffle griddle here that has been heated up, and I did lightly spray it so that these do not stick. I'm going to add my batter, then I'm going to add my fresh blueberries. You can use frozen, just make sure they're thawed. I'm going to put those in there, and then I'm going to put the lid down, and I'm going to leave it down for several minutes until it no longer sticks. And look how gorgeous these waffles come out. They are so good. My entire family loves these. I love these. They're the perfect breakfast. You can make a big batch of these ahead of time and then pop them in the freezer and then just pop them in the toaster when you're ready to eat them. That's what I do in my house. They're so good. I hope you guys enjoy them.